Hello, my name is Joe Singer. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer and co-founder of Merged Analytics. Merged Analytics is a B2B tool that provides information about the people at companies as well as the company names and how they're interacting with your digital brand, whether they be links that they click on social media that you post, links that you put as calls to action in your email campaigns, as well as the pages that they navigate to and spend time on your website. So what we do is we merge all of those analytics together and deliver them into an actionable format for you. As I mentioned, it's a B2B tool. Specifically, we've been having a lot of success in the commercial construction and architecture industries. But there's also another vertical that we're focusing on and having success in, and that is the fractional CMOs, the fractional chief marketing officers that sign in contracts for engagements that could have a start and an end date. Some of these fractional chief marketing officers are working with multiple companies. And so how we're working with our fractional CMO customers is they are using a white labeled version of Merged Analytics with their branding. Okay, so I'm Joe Singer. Let's say I was a fractional CMO and I was Joe Singer Incorporated. Rather than the analytics and the reports that Merged Analytics delivers with our branding, we replace it with Joe Singer Fractional CMO Incorporated or something like that. So the customer doesn't know who Merge Analytics is. It's a tool that belongs to and that the fractional CMO brings into the organization. They do this for a few different reasons. Okay, I have three really good reasons why they will leverage a tool. These fractional CMOs will leverage a tool like Merge Analytics. Number one, when they begin a new engagement, they put their white labeled pixel on their new customer's website, and right away they're making an impact. As analytics are coming in. Okay, so that's one thing that you can provide value right away. Number two, these analytics that are coming in right away are roadmaps as to what the CMO has to focus on. In the same way a doctor reads results from a blood test and can say, you should eat foods with less sugar or less salt, or maybe you need a statin. It provides data, information as to what you should do from there. So does Merged Analytics, okay? So maybe the fractional CMO, they put the pixel on the website, they start getting the analytics that come in, but maybe there aren't too many analytics. No analytics is analytics. So that means that, okay, you have to focus on increasing website traffic if that's something that's important to this organization. Once they do, or maybe they're getting website traffic, but it's not actionable, meaning we don't know an email address or a company name. So maybe they have to do email marketing for that, or maybe search engine optimization so that they could be found through searches and driven to the website. So there are many clues that the Merged Analytics intelligence provides a CMO. There's no guessing. It really provides a roadmap as to how to improve website traffic, and more importantly, the quality of that website traffic to convert into sales. But there's one, even the most important one, in my opinion, my favorite one. So many times when these chief marketing officers sign contracts for an engagement, there could be a start date and an end date, okay? And just because there's an end date, maybe there's a little time lapse and maybe you return to that company, okay? So that happens all the time. One way to stay in front of your customers when you're in between engagements is Merged Analytics, because if you put that Merged Analytics pixel on your customer's website, just because you ended your engagement doesn't mean they want to stop getting the Merged Analytics intelligence reports that the product delivers. Okay, so they still may want that even though your contract is finished. So when they leave the pixel on the website, they still get the Merged Analytics reports in your brand, and these come automatically through email. So your past customers can be getting really good analytics of company names and even email addresses and what pages those people clicked. but that could be in between your engagement. Maybe you're not, your contract is over. But not only are they getting the good analytics, they're seeing your brand, your logo, your contact information. So maybe I receive a white labeled MergedAnalytics alert via email that's so-and-so is on my website. Oh, that's great information. And then they take a glance subconsciously at your logo and you're like, you know what? I got to call that CMO. I want to sign another contract with him. So it gives a fractional CMO that elusive, that almost impossible, unattainable thing of a top of mind presence when you're in between engagements. So not only are you still delivering important data, but you're staying in front of your customer by just having a pixel on the website. For more information on all of this, I'd be happy to speak with you directly. You can please contact me at jsinger@merged, with a D, mergedanalytics.com. And for more information in general, you can always go to our website, mergedanalytics.com. Thank you.